Finally, the wait is over. The Google Pixel Fold first ever video is out, and we got some good news and one bad news that you guys will not like about the Pixel Fold, and almost everything is confirmed regarding the Pixel 4, which we will talk later in this video. Google is expected to launch Pixel Fold sooner, and we have our first look of the Pixel Fold. Let's break down a few things which we saw on Pixel Fold. First, it looks more like an Apple Fine N and not like Fold 4. The leaked video didn't show the screen clearly, but Pixel Fold will going to come with much visible crease. And I have to say, don't expect to be perfect just like Fold 4, as the bezels on top and bottom looks quite thick compared to the sides. And looking at the design, there is a reason why Google put the bigger bezels on Pixel Fold, because of selfie shooter. Fold 4 has a UDC under display camera, but Google Pixel Fold go with the normal selfie shooter. The inner and outer display looks like Apple Fine N, a 5.8 inches outer display and 7.7 inches inner display. Before moving on, drop a like. The price of Pixel 4 might shock you, and it should be, since this thing will cost you around $17.99, same as Fold 4. Now for some people it is not a surprise, but for me it is. As per previous rumors, it will be around $1,300 to $1,500, and it should be this much because the phone looks like the first generation of foldable from Google. There will be two options available for you: 256 gigs which will cost you around $17.99 and 512 gigs which will cost you around $1,919. Yes, this much expensive. Let me know, would you go for Pixel Fold or would you prefer Fold 4? Pixel Fold is coming with some big priority deals, and it is coming earlier. As per confirmed news, Google Pixel Fold is going to come in Google I/O event, which is in May next month, and as per news, Google will unveil Pixel Fold on May 10th. Interestingly, it will only available on Google official store, and you can start pre-order from Google store. And along with pre-order, we can get Pixel Watch with the Pixel Fold, a good value addition, and phone will be available in the market in June. Cameras are where I'm a bit concerned, as we got some news about selfie shooter, where we are going to get an 8 megapixel inner selfie shooter and 10 megapixel outer selfie shooter. Some also suggest we are going to get a 48 megapixel main shooter, 10.8 megapixel ultra wide and 10.8 megapixel telephoto sensor with 20x super res zoom. If you want to know more about Pixel 4, you should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.